Hi, hello, good morning to one and all. Today's our topic name is entrepreneurship, and we have to know the total meaning and introduction and definition of an entrepreneurship. Introduction: a person who start the business is nothing but an entrepreneur. The person, the process of an action is entrepreneurship. The process of an object is enterprise. There are three different meanings in the entrepreneurship. Okay, let's go with the entrepreneur. Here, the entrepreneur means the person who start the business. Entrepreneurship, the process of an action is nothing but entrepreneurship. Enterprise, the process of an object is nothing but enterprise. This is a small information about the entrepreneurship. In the modern world of globalization, entrepreneur is a plays an important role in the economic development of country. The entrepreneurs play a vital role in the economic development of country. Entrepreneurship is the peaceful activity of an individual or a group of individuals undertake the maintain or increase the profit by production or distribution of goods and services. If there is no entrepreneur, there is no human being that they don't know the needs of an entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur knows the society needs and knows make the people security and provide programs for welfare sections and shows the economic imbalance and equalization and global incomes the entrepreneur. These are the small information about the entrepreneurship introduction. Let's go with the meaning. The meaning of an entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur means the person who set up his own business or individual undertaking with a view of more profit, and the word enterprise is derived from the French word entrepreneur. It means the word entrepreneur means to undertake in the early and undertake the business. It was earlierly from 16th century. This is the meaning about the entrepreneurship. Let's go with the definition of an entrepreneurship. According to the New Encyclopedia, the entrepreneurs are the individual who bears the risk of an operating and a business in the face of integrity about the future conditions. These are the information about the entrepreneurship, and let's go with the process of corporation of business. It means they have the incorporation of business have some several steps. We have to follow the 7 steps. The first step, choose your business name. Second step, identify the location. Third step, select the type of corporation. Fourth step, name the company directors. Fifth step, determine the type of shares. Sixth step, obtain a certificate of incorporation. Seventh step, the process and file the paperwork. These are the process of incorporation of business. It means the structure of an incorporation of business. These are the total information about the entrepreneur, and here the entrepreneur, the total meaning means the person who start the business by a single or a group is nothing but a entrepreneurship. Thank you and have a nice day.